Brats, I saw something on Amazon that made me take a double take, and I actually grabbed it myself, bought it because I had to know what the F this is. Let's open it up. This is from a company called WLC VR. Does not have a single review on it for good reason. This is $26. In the Amazon ad, it made it look like it was its own strap, made it look like it had something. And now upon inspecting the box, it looks like no, this actually is an add-on to the original strap. So I put an original Quest 2 strap back on here, and we're gonna try this comfort edition to it. Installation step diagram. It does come with a different facial interface, so that's something. Definitely feels like it's a really cheap one, but it is like a pleather type, so that might be nice over the silicone. So this right here is what's gonna attach onto the sides. It's doing real good there. Oh, hang on. It's Velcro. We really pushed that Velcro on there. Oh. There we go. Doing good so far. I'm excited about this actually. We got this thing right here. This is going on top of your head. This goes around the back of your head. Is that it? I guess that's it. Okay, I thought there was a little more to it. Be gone. This is the fun part already. This just won't stay up here. Plastic is so flexible that it just like falls off the Velcro. All right, so it says first install the facial interface, which it shouldn't be the first step on the diagram because I thought you'd have to install this on there without the head strap on, but maybe this whole thing can install with the head strap still in place. So this would go under here, but over these. You shove your strap inside of here, and then that slides over that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get this on here. I'm not gonna take too much time to explain it to you because none of you are gonna be buying this. Okay. Ooh, get in the hole. Oh wait, okay. We have taken the horrible stock head strap and we have added a bunch of junk to it. All the worst parts of the stock strap and the less than amazing parts of any basic Halo strap. I mean, it's got the slide-on piece here, it's got an over-the-head part here, but you're missing all the important parts that are gonna keep this from still pulling onto your face. Let's do the comfort test. Oh boy, hang on. You know, I will say, if for some reason you had one of these laying in your house, you got it absolutely free, and you were thinking about throwing it in the garbage, and you still had your stock head strap on your Quest 2, it might be a very slight improvement. It is not a $26 improvement. You can get a full Halo head strap for less than that. But it actually feels a little less awful than the stock head strap, mostly really only because of this. This is balancing some of that pressure on the back of my head. It's just a hilarious addition. The facial interface itself that it comes with is not very nice. It's very hard padding. At least personally for me, it doesn't fit my face very well. I can get a full fingertip in on either side. So all that pressure is just on my forehead and my cheekbones. Facial interfaces are more an issue when you have a lot of facial pressure from the headset, which is what this is still doing. You still got the original stock strap on here, just now you have a bunch of plastic crap kind of slowing it down. So this guy is already hanging back off again. It just does not want to stay on there for the life of it. Oh boy, that's a bad one. I think that'll be an Amazon return. Having paid $27 for this, I don't want to live with that decision. I did this for you out there. If anyone's seen this thing and was just curious about it, it's hard to imagine anybody was thinking about buying this if they really looked at what it was. Although you might see the image and think it's a full head strap and go, oh, that looks interesting, but it's not. It's just a few crappy plastic additions. This piece of plasticky junk, this piece of weird plasticky junk, and this piece of plasticky junk. That was fun. I hope that this helped someone out there not make a very regrettable life decision of buying this. I want to say thank you for coming out and hanging out with us today, and I'll see you in another reality.